everyone, today we are in Heartlands, one historic mine in Cornwall. It's actually one of the most historic mines ever. Because of that, today we're going to have a little look around. So firstly, we have the steel head frame here that was used for lowering the miners into the deep shaft. And for that, you can see cart tracks all the way along here, which would link up to there and just be sent down by those massive cogs on the top. So now we're going to walk around the head frame to the engine house, which powered it through the massive pump that used to pump all the water out from there. We also have a little history board here of what it was. So, where on earth the first factory in history, or largest steam engine in the world? If you don't know, ERIH will point you in the right direction of European industrial heritage. So this pumping house was built in 1903 and operated from 1903 to 1955, when later being disused and opened to public heritage. Same with the headgear as well. Here we have the boiler house for the pumping engine, which was also built in 1903 to 1955, which was took from the house in the 1700s as the main source of powering the mines. We have the loco workshop, where it was built in 1950 to 1960, and it was all in the 50s and 60s, and it operated till 1960 to 1996, and it was the main housing for all the minecarts that rolled out all the materials, and rock and granite, copper and tin, and all the materials they mined in Cornwall back to the top of the surface. Here we have the winding steam boiler house, which was also operated in 1906 till 1996, where Robertson's shaft was sunk and South Crofty Limited was used here and installed a winder engine so more efficient. We have the steam winder chimney, which was built in 1917 and operated till 1917 to 1967, and you can see it's quite tall and was used for pumping all the excess steam out into the air. Here we have rainwater recycling. Heartlands has continued a fine mining tradition of reusing buildings, adapting these water tanks they used to supply the steam winder and compressor engines. Now they store filtered rainwater to irrigate the gardens and flush toilets on the site. So now we completed the whole mine site of Heartlands, and now we're going to move on to East Pool Mine. Okay, now we are at East Pool Mine. We're going to go have a look inside and see what's there. So now we're going into the entrance of it, and straight away you can see one of the beam engines for shafts. So yeah, we'll just go in the entrance and see what we find. Okay, so we're now in the museum of East Pool Mine, and we've got lots of cogs here for wheels and working the mine, and yeah, lots of tools to go around as well.
Okay, where this circle of bricks is at the bottom of the chimney. So there's the chimney. Yeah, some up there.
Wow.
Granny used to say he's lucky if they messed on you, but I never thought he was. So this also is a boiler house. That building opposite us, 1925 you see above the door. It's what's known as a garage.
Remember we went there, Charlie? King Edward Mine.
I'll run them round, I think.
No train.
Right. Communication with the acidic water and rock application kept going to the bell. Guaranteed to work. The engine is quite quiet when it was running. People think they're noisy because they're big, but they weren't. You know.
So yeah guys, this is Eastpool Mine from the back. We've had a guided tour of it.
And you can see the chutes on the side where they used to load up the trams. But during the Second World War, they put this extension on and it became the mine's air raid shelter. The main pump rod is that one with this end with the boat going through it. That's going down the mine. We had 150 men working. And by the time this mine was working, there was no ladies involved. 1918, the Balmaiden died out. There's men coming back from the trenches, First World War, needed to work.
So this is what the headgear
Just like the
put down when the line is going up and down. And that, guys, is Eastpool Mine. I couldn't really talk on it because I was doing a guided tour. But see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you then.